Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the exact Microsoft account that needs the balance. This is critical because the card applies to account, region, and currency. Once signed in, enter the 25-character code from the card using the console or account. Redeem page. Make sure the billing country matches the card. If not, change to the correct region before redeeming. This prevents declines and lost funds. Also verify family or child account restrictions, so the credit appears where you expect and purchases won't be blocked. Once redeemed, the next step is allocating the funds correctly. Redeem the code and select Add to Microsoft Account Balance rather than applying directly to a subscription, unless you specifically want to pay a single subscription immediately. This preserves flexibility so you can buy games, DLC, or subscriptions later. Make sure your payment order lists Microsoft Balance first so purchases draw from the card. If you want to pay a recurring service, you can change that later in subscriptions. Otherwise, the balance remains available for one-time purchases. Finally, use the balance to buy games, subscriptions, or in-game items. Navigate to the Microsoft Store, select the item, and confirm that the payment source shows Microsoft Balance. Then complete the purchase and verify the balance decreased correctly. If a subscription didn't switch automatically, edit the billing method to use your account balance. If redemption fails or funds aren't visible, double-check the card region and account country, look for pending holds, and contact Microsoft support if needed. They can trace a redemption with proof of purchase.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.